What do the animals say? We can find out today. Let's all sing and play and hear what the animals say.
The horse says neigh, neigh, neigh.
The pig says oink, 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 oink.
The little mouse says squeak, 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 squeak.
And the bird says tweet, tweet, tweet.
The snake says hiss, hiss, hiss.
The dog says woof, 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 woof.
The cow says moo, moo, moo.
And the rooster says cock-a-doodle-doo.
What do the animals say? We can find out today. Let's all sing and play and hear what the animals say.
The frog says ribbit, ribbit, ribbit.
The cat says meow, meow, meow.
The owl says hoot, hoot, hoot.
And the wolf says
Oh.
The bee says buzz, buzz, buzz.
the sheep says ba,
Ba, ba, ba. The duck says quack, 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 quack.
The lion says roar, roar, roar.
Okay, now it's your turn.
What does a horse say?
Neigh, neigh.
What does a pig say?
Oink, oink, oink.
What does a mouse say?
Squeak, squeak.
What does a bird say?
Tweet, tweet, tweet. That was really good. Let's try some more.
What does a bee say?
Buzz, buzz.
What does a sheep say?
Ba, ba.
What does a duck say?
Quack, quack, quack.
What does a lion say?
Now we know the animal sounds. We can dance around and learn by singing along to the animal sound song.